Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video we're going to show you how to use an ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. This device is quite useful for detecting objects. Let me explain you how it works. This board has 4 pins, VCC and ground to power it, and the trigger and the echo. Through a high pulse in the trigger, the transmitter sends a high frequency sound wave. It hits the object and bounces back to the receiver. While this happens, the echo pin starts a count from the moment the wave is emitted until it's received. And how do we get the distance? As you will know, the distance is equal to the speed multiplied by the time. In this case, we are working with the speed of sound, which is 343 meters per second, and the time is given by the echo pin. By the way, we must divide the time in two, because we just need the time it takes for the wave to hit the object. Now, let's move to the code. The first part is define ports and variables. In my case, I choose the digital ports from Arduino Leonardo, but if you have another one, they are exactly the same. These two are for operations. In the voice setup, the trigger is established as an output to fire the wave, the echo as an input to receive the time, buzzer and LED as an output to control their high or low level. These lines start the serial communication with a 9600 baud rate. It allows us to watch information in the serial monitor. Now, the loop. First, we initialize the trigger by putting in load, give it a little delay, and then power at the trigger. This delay is more than necessary and is a specification given by the manufacturer. Again, the trigger is turned off. Once this happens, we read the time duration in the echo pin, which is given in microseconds, and as I told you, we have to divide it by 2, and we get the distance. Finally, we establish a range of distance, and if there is an object within, the buzzer and LED will turn on and off proportionally to the distance. And with this, we can see what the object's distance is. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to receive more easy and fast videos like this for your projects.